treats because I guess these are meow mix. Let me try. Ooh, I love you so much. I love you. Sorry about that. Sorry about that for the audience, cameraman. Well, maybe I went too rough. Okay. No, don't pet me. Yes. Okay, just... Man, I dropped it. Oh, well. Oh, well. This is so good. Oof, okay. Aren't you gonna pet me, owner? Aren't you gonna pet me? I ain't gonna do anything. The camera won't get me now. What? Cameraman, what are you doing? Get off! This is my spot. Hey, this is a me and owner thing. Right, owner? Right? Are you gonna say anything? Oh well, I guess I'll just have a. I guess I'll just go to sleep. I think I don't know what to do. Am I being creepy? Yeah, no. I said that. What? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what? Owner, don't you walk away from me. Don't you. Please, no. Owner. At least the treats are good, but owner, don't walk away from me. Please, don't, no. No, please, no. Ain't I the best looking kitty out there? Man, all the other two kitties, they ugly. Yeah, they ugly. And I'm the most beautifulest kitty in the whole wide world. So I'm in Santa's bedroom. And I'm waiting for that fat man to get over here so I can take them milk and cookies. Yeah, I'm going to take them milk and cookies. Oh, man. Speaking of Christmas, I got a new song to sing for y'all. Jingle bells, Santa smells that cat laid an egg. I push Nico down some stairs and I take some milk and cookies from Santa. That's gonna be the #1 hit for 2020 Christmas. Y'all wait and see. Y'all gonna hear it on your kitty radio. So look at that song. Look at there's some underwear. Man, that underwear stank. You gotta get some rid of them underwear, Santa Claus. Oh, your Santa slipper stank too. Dang. Miss Santa need to give Santa back that man stank. Yee-hoo. Man, it's not as bad as Fat Cat Sparks though, cause them Fat Cat Sparks stank. Ooh, I'm just gonna lay here and I'm gonna wait for them milk and cookies. Where is that fat man at? He's supposed to be here. I don't see him anywhere. So I'm just gonna lick my paws and I'm just gonna do some tricks, some flips.
Man, these are so good. Good treats. You better not zoom in, cameraman. You better not. Or I'll just... Yeah, you know what I just said. Oh, well, I'm just having a lovely day. Lovely. Oh, man. Oh, I'm the cameraman. I can know. Man. I always wonder, do they have a Happy never mind. Okie dokie. Alright. I think I was hallucinating. I think I was hallucinating to, never mind. Let's go back to the treats. Right, that treats. Does it? These are so good. At least the cameraman's not zooming it back and forth. These are so good. Wait, am I eating plastic? I better not eat plastic. You know what happens if I eat plastic. So yucky. But, right. All right. Okay. Oh, what's that smell? What's that smell? What's that smell? Okay. Whew. All right. Okay. You better not. At least you did not zoom in. I'm watching you, cameraman. All right. These are so nice. Wait, one bite. Shiny gold, nice and warm. It's a touch. Okay, I'm just hallucinating from that. Cause they meant, did I just saw the cameraman zoom in? Camera. Oh, I saw you zoom in. I got you. I got you. What? Great. Okay, can you stop zooming in? We're not having this discussion, cameraman. God, why am I focusing on the treats? These are so good. Stop. Why won't you? Can you stop doing? Oh well. Oh well. I'll go back to my treats. Can you stop?